In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a dashboard in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and go to your workspace. This is where all of your boards, dashboards, and team activity live, so it's the central place for building a clear view of your work. Once you're inside your workspace, the goal is to either create a brand new dashboard or open one that already exists, depending on what you want to work on. If you're starting from scratch, create a new dashboard and give it a name that makes sense for the projects or teams you want to track. If you already have a dashboard in place, simply open it so you can continue building on it. Dashboards are useful because they bring information together in one place, making it easier to monitor progress, spot issues, and share updates with others. Next, click the option to add boards or connect boards. This step is important because dashboards don't show useful information until they're linked to the boards that contain your actual project data. After clicking that option, select the boards you want the dashboard to use. Choose the ones that are most relevant to the results you want to see. For example, you might connect boards related to tasks, timelines, team workload, or project status, so your dashboard reflects a broader picture. Once your boards are connected, you can begin adding widgets. Monday.com offers several helpful widget types, including chart, numbers, battery, table, and timeline. Each one serves a different purpose. A chart can help visualize trends or progress. Numbers can highlight key metrics. A battery widget is useful for showing completion levels. A table can display detailed records. And a timeline helps you understand schedules and deadlines at a glance. After adding your widgets, configure each one using the data from your connected boards. This is where you decide what each widget should display and how it should present that information. Take your time here, because a well-configured dashboard is much easier to read and much more valuable for decision making. Focus on showing the most relevant information clearly, rather than trying to display everything at once. When everything looks the way you want, save the dashboard and review the combined results. Look over the full layout to make sure the information is accurate, useful, and easy to understand. If needed, make small adjustments so the dashboard gives you a clean and practical overview. Once saved, your dashboard becomes a powerful snapshot of your work all in one place.